If you know anyone that has been affected by the wildfires in Los Angeles, send this video to them because I'm going to share a bunch of different resources that they can use right now. Number one, the federal funds that they can use. This is declared a major disaster area from FEMA, so you can access that by going to disasterassistance.gov or by calling 1-866-621-FEMA. For state and local services, you can access California Governor's Office of Emergency Services, or Cal OES. They provide statewide wildfire recovery resources. You can visit their website at wildfirerecovery.caloes.ca.gov. You can also access Los Angeles County Recovery. They offer information on recovery services, housing assistance, and more. You can access that at recovery.lacounty.gov. There's a lot of nonprofit organizations as well, so if you have not been affected, maybe consider donating to these. But you can go to the California Fire Foundation, and they provide support for communities affected by wildfires. You can go to calfirefoundation.org. The World Central Kitchen delivers immediate food relief to evacuees and responders. You can go to WCK.org. And the California Community Foundation's Wildlife Recovery Fund aids underserved communities in recovery efforts. Their information is at calfund.org. There's also the Cal Fire Benevolent Foundation. They offer financial assistance to firefighters and their families affected by injuries and fatalities and support victims. You can access their details at calfirefoundation.org. Now, if you need legal and insurance help, you can go to the Neighborhood Legal Services of Los Angeles. They provide free legal assistance to low-income and older residents with fire and disaster-related issues. You can call their Disaster Legal Help Hotline at 1-800-870-0732. And for those of you who had insurance, there's a nonprofit that will help guide you on insurance claims and the recovery process. It's a nonprofit called upheld.org. For mental health services, you can access the Los Angeles County Department of Mental Health. You can contact them at 1-800-854-7771, or you can visit dmh.lacounty.gov. And for animal care, the Los Angeles County Department of Animal Care and Control, they offer animal rescues, food, shelter, and boarding services. You can access their information at animalcare.lacounty.gov.